Hey guys, welcome back once again to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about top 10 dinosaurs that existed in the world. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos. So let's begin. In the 10th place it is Sinosauropteryx. The name means Chinese reptilian wing. This was the first dinosaur not included in the available evidence to have wings. They had furry coats of feathers, they had long tails and short arms, and were close relatives of Compsognathus. Both belong to family of Compsognathidae. They lived in the northeastern part of China during the Cretaceous period and were the first dinosaurs to be discovered from the Ixtian Formation. Many aspects of biology are illustrated with the help of well-preserved fossils. In the 9th place it is Liopleurodon. The name means smooth-sided teeth and they were marine carnivorous reptiles. They belong to the family of Pylosauroidea. They lived during the Middle Jurassic period and could grow to enormous length of 25 meters. Their fossils were mostly found in England and France, and one of the species is known to have existed somewhere in Russia. They had 4 strong limbs which indicate them to be really powerful swimmers. A study shows that this body structure would provide excellent acceleration, if not top speed. In the 8th place it is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus means fused lizard. They belong to the family of Ankylosauridae and are classified as reptilia. They could grow in length till about 9 meters and weighed in over 6,000 kilograms. The fossils suggested that they were alive during the Cretaceous period in the western part of North America. A complete skeleton of these species have not yet been discovered. So the illustration could be inaccurate, but it gives an idea at least. This dinosaur was heavily armored, which would help them in defense and attack at the same time. In the 7th place it is Sarcosuchus. Sarcosuchus means flesh crocodile. They happen to be very distant relatives of crocodile, are said to have lived around 112 million years ago. These are perhaps the biggest crocodiles to have ever lived in their fossils found in Africa. They are classified as reptilia and belong to the family of Pholidosauridea. They are believed to have been as long as a city bus, which is well over 12 meters, and they weighed in over 8 tons. The mere skull was the size of a fully grown male human. One bite and you disappear. In the 6th place it is Allosaurus. These guys lived during the late Jurassic period around 155 million years ago. The name means different lizard. They are classified as reptiles and belong to the family of Allosauridae. It is said to have had a large skull with several very sharp teeth and averaged around 9 meters in length. Some studies suggest that they could reach the length of 12 meters also. They had a heavy tail suggesting greater balance. They have been estimated to weigh in at around 2.3 metric tons. Imagine if these creatures were alive, or if they come alive. In the 5th place it is Troodon. These happens to be the smaller dinosaurs resembling a bird and are said to have lived during the late Cretaceous period. Their fossils were first discovered in 1855 in North America. More species were discovered in Texas, New Mexico, and Wyoming. The name means wounding teeth. They are classified as reptilia and belong to the family of Troodontidae. They are said to have been around 2.5 meters in length and an average weight of 50 kilograms. Like I said, they were very small, but the smaller they get, the more deadly they get as well, at least in most cases. In the fourth place, it is Kronosaurus. The name means lizard of Kronos. The name was given after a Greek leader called Cronus. These dinosaurs had a short neck. They are classified as Sauropsida and belong to the family of Plesiosauridae. They reached the length of 13 meters but would usually average around 9 or 10 meters. They were equipped with large teeth exceeding the length of 7 centimeters. The largest of its teeth reached a length of 30 centimeters. Their fossils were discovered from Australia. In the third place, it is Amphisaurus fragilismus. The name literally means biconcave. These particular dinosaurs were longest known vertebrates with length averaging at around 40 to 60 meters. They weighed in on 122 metric tons. They were classified as reptilia and belong to the family of Diplocoidea. Their fossil remains were lost at some point, which is why extensive study could not be carried out on these guys. Although Jurassic Park gives a petty idea as to what they might have looked like. In the second place, it is Velociraptor. I am sure you remember these guys from the famous movie called Jurassic Park. And that movie gives a great insight into how big of nuisance they could prove to be. The name means shift Caesar, and they are said to have lived over 75 to 71 million years ago. They were part of late Cretaceous period. Their fossils were found in China and Mongolia. They are classified as reptilia and belong to the family of Dromaeosauridae. They could weigh up to 15 kilograms and would grow in length up to 2 meters. Though they might seem potentially harmless considering their size and weight, but they would usually attack in herds. And that's where the problem starts. Besides, they are really fast. In the first place, it is Tyrannosaurus. I am sure you guys expected the Tyrannosaurus to make it to the top. The name means tyrant lizard. The fossils suggest that these guys used to live in western North America some 67 million years ago. They are classified as reptilia and belong to the family of Tyrannosauridae. They could grow over 12 meters in length and would usually weigh in over 6 metric tons. They had small arms and long tails. I am sure you can picture these guys really well considering we have seen them in the Jurassic Park series. And these guys have a bite force of 8000 psi, which is very high. And they are called as the king of dinosaurs. So, which one was your favorite one? Comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and also subscribe our channel, and also hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, get updated.